passed over. I was in the other connected matter in the other court. The second round also I was there up to 1:30. Milord, it appears it was dismissed for default. Milord, I am ready actually, Milord. Seal number 4040, Milord.
The order is passed, Mr. Please file an application. You know, we are not this thing very fastidious about it. It will be restored. Now an order has been passed. We may have signed the order sheet.
Milord, it may posted for tomorrow, Milord. It's being so it can be disposed of.
Hey. It will be disposed of. Don't worry. The day you file an application for recall, on that very day we will hear you.
Very well.
All. Yes.
Number 66.
Lordship, may I request 2 weeks' time in this matter, my Lordship? My sincerest apologies, my Lord. Mr. A. Shankar is unavailable. He has a family emergency.
He was there, no, available. He said
yes, my Lord. Yes, my Lord. There's been some family emergency. On account of that, he's unable.
Mr. Bhairav, Learned Counsel for the Assessee, Mr. K.V. Arvind, Learned Counsel for the Revenue, Learned Counsel for the Assessee, prays for adjournment on the ground that the arguing counsel, Mr. A. Shankar, is not available. List. When do you want, Mr. Bhairav? 2
weeks, my Lord. I'll be greatly obliged, my Lord.
It's after 2 weeks.
My Lord, he expressed his sincerest apologies, my Lord, because of the fact that he is unavailable, my Lord.
All right.
Greatly obliged.
It seems, my Lord, his help is required for somebody. That's why, my Lord, he called me also.
Oh, all right. Yes, sir.
Number 69, Sri Ajay Kumar Patil, Sri N. Kumar, Mr. Advocate.
Appearing, my Lord, for the petitioner.
Yes.
Please, my Lord, this is matter relates to denial of admission by the sixth respondent deemed to be university to the petitioner in the counseling that was conducted.
Yes, 1 minute, 1 minute. We are not seeing you.
Please, my Lord.
1 minute, 1 minute. There is some problem with what happened.
I can hear and see clearly.
But we are unable to hear you, see you. 1 minute.
Please,
One
please.
minute. How is it? Yes. Mr. Patil, who appears
Yes.
for respondent?
Sri N. Kumar, Sri Gopal Bilal Mane, Government Advocate, Sri N. Ketty, Sri Chandrakant Argowde.
The contesting respondent is sixth and seventh respondent, Chandrakant Gowde.
So he is not there to do.
I am ready, my Lord.
We are also ready, but we don't have to suffer an application for recall. You know.
He is online. Counsel is online, my Lord. Counsel is online.
No. If he is there, we will hear you. But
Please,
what
Lord.
happens that they file an application for recall on the ground that the order has been passed in violation of principles of natural justice.
No,
This is the ground which is taken in recall application.
no, that generally, my Lord, for the petitioners, if it is dismissed for default, respondents
No.
cannot.
The
Your
other
Lordship,
side also, he will say, I had logged in, there was some technical glitch. Like that, it has happened, so we are cautious. Let him appear.
he is appearing, my Lord. He is online. He is online. I can see him.
Your Lordship's advocate for R5 and R6, Lordship. The counsel on record, Mr. Chandrakant Argowde, is in Courthall number 1, Lordships. I kindly request your Lordships to pass over the matter.
All right, pass over. Thank you.
Obliged.
Number 70, Sri K. Chandrakant Ariga, Sri N. Ketty.
In this matter, my lords. My lords, I seek for a short adjournment in this matter.
Appearing for the respondent in this.
Why short adjournment?
Senior is held up, my lords. He's in
No,
another
there is
court.
an interim order in your favor.
Yes, my lord.
So you are prosecuting, you want that the result should also be declared, then he will be available, right?
But it's regarding reimbursement of fees. 27 lakhs was paid by the petitioner.
So why are you saying that there is an interim order?
My lord,
He asked you, is there any interim order in your favor?
my lord, on
No, my lord, there is no interim
No,
order in
interim
this
order
matter.
is not there,
There is
my
no
lord.
interim order in this matter.
Why are you saying yes?
on 15/6/2018 emergency notice was issued. There is no interim order is not there, my lord. My apologies. Continue.
Presence learned counsel for the petitioner.
Your name, sir?
Nandish, my lord.
Mr. Nandish, learned counsel for the petitioner, submit that the arguing counsel, Mr. K. Chandranath Ariga, is not available. He therefore prays for adjournment list after 10 days.
That's okay.
51. Srimati Lata Estate.
My lord, appearing for the petitioner in this matter, my lord.
Kumar.
Yes.
My lord, this matter may be taken up along with WP 32278 of 2018, which was listed yesterday, my lord, and adjourned to next week.
322.
32278 of 2018, my lord.
Right, written. As prayed by learned counsel for the petitioner, this along with WP number 32278 bar 2018.
Grateful, my lord.
Number 72. Srimati Tanmay Rajkumar. Sri K.V.
It's okay
Arvind.
for respondent, my lords. My lords, I request my lords to kindly take up this matter after 2 weeks, my lords.
Preparing for the appellant, my lord.
Learned. Yes. Learned counsel for the assessee, Mr. Tanmay Rajkumar, learned counsel for the assessee, Mr. Dilip Kumar, learned counsel for the revenue, learned counsel for the revenue, prays for adjournment list after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Number 73. Sri Prakash T. Hebbar. Sri Nathan Raju, government advocate.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Hebbar.
Sri Prakash T. Hebbar.
Lord, I appear for the appellant, my lord.
Prakash T. Hebbar.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
You are not calling the name.
Sri Nasim Raju.
my lord,
Sri Nasim Raju.
Lord, one submission, my lord. One submission, my lord. There is one criminal appeal filed by one of the accused against the very same order, judgment and order. My lord, that is by default, my lord, is listed before the learned single judge. So that also, my lord, since it is the very same order under challenge in that appeal.
You will have to file an application for analogous hearing, right? Before Registrar Judicial. We cannot do it by judicial order.
I understand, my lord. I understand. I will file necessary application.
Prakash T. Hebbar, learned counsel for the petitioner. It is granted a week's time to enable him to move an application.
Grateful. Grateful.
Yes.
Number 74. Sri Ramesh K.R.
My lord, I appear for the petitioner. I pray for a week's accommodation, my lord. I am suffering from fever. I could not be prepared myself, my lord. May be taken up next week, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submit that he therefore seeks adjournment this next week.
Please, my lord. Much obliged, my lord.
Number 75. Sri Abhinay Vaiti. Sri Kashyap Nayak.
Lordship, I praise
The respondent, my lords.
some inconvenient, your Lordship.
He's praying for counsel for the petitioner. What is his name? So for the petitioner prays for adjournment. List next week.
Gratefully, Your Worship.
76, CA Sanmati, CA Mahesh Chaudhary.
Yes.
CA Sanmati, CA Mahesh Chaudhary.
Next week, none for parties.
Number 77, Sri TP Muttanna, Srimati Kritika Raghavan,
I appear for the petitioner, my lord.
KV Satish.
My lord, appearing for respondent number 2 here.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the respondent is also, respondent is
You are
also
all right.
filed on writ petition.
Mr. Muthanna, you are all right now.
Yes, my lord, I am all right, my lord.
Okay.
I can argue.
Ah.
In this case, my lord, that respondent is also filed on another writ petition on the same order of the learned DRAT, and that writ petition copy was served on me on 16/12. I want to file the objection on their writ petition, my lord. 1 week time may kindly be granted, my lord.
12131.
12131. 12131. Yes, my lord.
My lords, I am for the petitioner in the connected matter. My lords, I may be permitted to take out notice on the official liquidator who is representing the respondent number 2, my lord.
Mr. KV Satish, learned counsel for the petitioner, is permitted to take out notice of this petition on official liquidator. Mr. TP Muthanna, learned counsel for respondents, office is directed to reflect the name of Mr. TP Muthanna as counsel for respondents. Full stop. He prays for and is granted how much time? A week's time to enable him to file objections.
Yes, ma'am.
Just after 1 week.
Number 78,
I appear for the respondent, my lords. I pray for this 4 weeks time to file my objections, my lords. I want to file my objections, my lords.
My lords, respondent has taken several adjournments on the same ground, my lords. And it's a
By of indulgence, prays for and is granted 4 weeks time by way of last indulgence.
finally, my lords.
Enable him to file objections. Last opportunity has been granted to
Interim order may
right?
be extended.
Last opportunity of 4 weeks.
Interim order may be.
Interim order granted on earlier occasion shall continue till next date of hearing.
Much obliged.
79, Sri Mahesh here.
My lord, I appear for the fourth respondent in this case.
Petition, my lord. My lord, this is the matter where your lordship was pleased to hear at length, my lord, where the child is in the custody of the mother, respondent number 4.
Yes.
And the orders, Canada court's order was in favor of the husband and defying that.
Lordship, on the last occasion, my lord, if your lordship recollects, 2 suggestions fell from the court, my lord. One was with regard to the withdrawal of the 498A proceedings initiated by the 4th respondent, my lord. As per the suggestion of this honorable court, my lord, we have filed our affidavit in the criminal petition 2081 of 2020, initiated by the petitioner for quashing of the 498A proceedings. That affidavit I have filed along with the memo on 4th of January 2022, my lord, before this honorable court. And the other suggestion was, my lord,
as regards the
my lord, the other suggestion was with regard to whether.
But
hey, 1 by 1, don't speak simultaneously.
I'm sorry, my lord. The other issue was with regard to the
complete, please.
My lord,
Mahesh, let him complete. He's saying something.
My lord.
My lord, regarding the second suggestion, my lord, since both petitioner and 4th respondent, there was no possibility of reconciliation, my lord. The other suggestion was whether divorce proceedings under 13B can be initiated. Accordingly, my lord, I even sent across a draft to the petitioner's counsel, my lord, and they have informed that they are not willing for divorce proceedings. In any event, my lord, I have done my part of filing an affidavit seeking for quashing of the 498A proceedings, my lord. And I've showed my bona fides by filing that affidavit along with the memo
What is
here.
this? Why you?
My lord,
what my learned marriage?
My lord, what my learned did not say, conveniently skipped, my lord, is that
They have kept an embargo that the petitioner should be here. They will not give the child. That is the embargo. They are not going to give the child.
No embargo.
And the petitioner has to be here. And even otherwise, my lord, even otherwise.
Hey, sir, you understand, Mr. Counsel for Respondent, that you cannot put such a condition. This
I have not put any conditions, my lord. I have not put any conditions.
Issue pertaining to custody sub judice. How
Absolutely,
can you?
my lord.
I
have not touched the issue of custody in the 13B petition, my lord. I have stated that will be a matter that will be decided by the court in this proceedings, my lord. All I have sent across,
my lords, the
false submission is made in this regard.
Lord, what I would submit here is this, my lords. This is they have really couched that because of the reason, my lord. If one number submission, my lord. One number submission, I will complete before my learned friend.
Or then argue, then what can we do?
My lord,
we will hear you in person, right?
Very well, my lord.
Next week.
Very well.
Tuesday.
Very
well. List on. You go through this and the statement made by counsel for respondent number 4.
I can, in fact, place that draft on record.
He has not put in any condition.
I would submit draft on record. My lord, how would they have couched it? I would submit, my lord. In person,
why should you couch and everything, Mr. Delete whatever?
I will submit. I will demonstrate, my lords.
Hey, Mr. Don't be, and why you should agree for 13B, right? In any case, you want to. Hey, your marriage is dead. No.
No, it's totally
Why
dead.
do you want to continue?
Absolutely
you want to
dead.
live with her?
My lord,
then,
I would submit, my lord. I would submit
so
before.
Why 13? Mr. We want to save you from litigation.
I'm grateful, my lord. Absolutely grateful
no,
on that. But
that's the idea of putting her to terms.
True,
you will pass an order on whatever that does not in any manner, affect your right to seek the remedy. It has nothing to do.
Absolutely.
But we thought that this unnecessary litigation between the parties should come to an end.
Yes,
so why should you not agree for 13B? He unconditionally agrees to withdraw this petition 498A, whatever.
I have already done it.
Unconditionally.
Yes, my lord, he has done it. No doubt about that. I would submit, my lord. So far as the difficulty is concerned, I would submit. My lord, it is a dead marriage. I have no interest in the marriage. When she is not interested, I am also not interested now. I am only interested in the child. I will submit, my lords, without wasting your lordship's time now. When
All right, 8th February.
Oh, bless, my lord.
A final disclosure, Chamber 80. Sumana Naganan.
I appear for the petitioner in this matter. As per the instructions of the petitioner association, I have given them the entire brief and the NOC Wakalat, my lord. But the cause list still shows my name. I request for a week's time. I will inform the association.
No, you have done your job. What's your name?
My name is Pradyumna, my lord.
Mr. Pradyumna, learning counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. KB Narayan Swami, learning counsel for respondent number
R7 minutes.
Learned counsel and below. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has no instructions to argue the matter. In view of the submission, the petition is dismissed for want of prosecution. Yes.
Democrat posting, Chamber 81. Sri Muhammad Zahir, Sri P. Prasanna Kumar.
9th of list on 9th of February.
Lord, I appeal serial number 80, my lord.
80. Which respondent you are appearing?
Lord, respondent 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3.
Write his name.
My lord, I appear for respondent 2, my lord.
I'm sorry.
I appear for R4. Learned counsel for respondent 1 and 3, and appearing for respondent number 2.
I appear
1
for
and 3, my
respondent
lord.
2,
I'm sorry, my lord. It's 1 and 3.
I means you have to tell your names. I means we don't know.
My lord,
Rashmi,
Shanti
my
Bhushan,
lord,
my lord. Shanti Bhushan
No,
appears for.
Hey, we have got it, Mr. Shanti Bhushan. We are asking the young lawyer who is
Please,
appearing
please,
for number 2 her name.
Rashmi, my lord.
Fine. All right.
Which respondent, madam?
Respondent number 2. Yes, next.
Number 82. Channa Krishnappa.
Appear for the petitioner, my lord.
Lordship, I am for the respondent number 1. I have filed the memo for posting. Lordship, in view of the urgency, kindly fix the date of hearing, my lord.
10 February.
Please, my lord.
10th February, my lord.
List on 10th of February 2020.
Pass over matters. Serial number 48.
My lord, in this matter, my lord. I appear for KIDB in all these matters. My lord, one submission.
Lordship, in this, I am appearing for petitioner in 48.9 euros.
Lord, I am appearing for respondent number 1 in 48.3 WA 3531 of 2014, my lord.
And what about 48? Who appeared?
My lord, 48.6, my lord. My lord, 48.6, my lord. I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. My senior is not well. My lord, kindly I have done next week in this matter, my lord. My senior is not well.
Mr. Sabrad, Monday.
Yes.
We'll have it on Monday, Mr. Sabrad.
Please, my lord, your lordship may have it on Monday, my lord.
This on 7th February 2022.
Oblige, my lord.
Number 69.
Your Lordship,
I appear for the petition.
Hare Kumar Patil.
Appearing for the petitioner, my lord.
appearing for respondent 8 CBI in this matter, my lord.
Yes, which respondent?
Respondent 8 CBI in this matter, my lord. Your Lordship, we have sent the statement of objections for approval in this matter. I pray for 2 weeks' time to file the same, my lord.
Patil.
Please, my lords, it's a impleading application that I have filed for the proposed respondent number 8. They say they have sent the statement of objections for.
They are more than willing to be impleaded. That means,
My lords,
Mr. Jay Kumar, they are more than willing to be impleaded.
They are
That's
more
why
than
they
willing.
prepared in anticipation statement of objections. Right?
the cases of such a grave. May I only request 1 week, my lord, so that they can.
Yes,
since
madam.
it has next week.
Mr. Ajay Kumar Patil.
My lord, I appear for respondent number 6, my lord. I have filed
What's
my
your
objections
name,
to the
madam?
applications.
We are not doing anything. We are.
Yes.
Yes, madam. What's your name?
Madam. P. Prasanna Kumar.
Please, my lord.
Madam, your name, madam?
Your Lordship, I am Anita Krishnamurthy appearing for P.
Right,
Prasanna
counsel
Kumar.
for- Yes, Ms. Anita Krishnamurthy, then counsel for respondent for proposed respondent number 8. Grace for him is granted a week's time
Yeah,
to
done.
enable her to seek instructions. List after 1 week.
8 may be given, my lord. 9th or 10th.
14th, Monday.
14th. Oblige.
14th February.
Oblige.
Yes.
For lunch. Yes. Yes.